These are the real Jamaican brown stew chicken. These are the base season of what I use, and the browning is the main ingredients. So on top of the dry ingredients we use, we also use some fresh herbs, not the herbs that you're thinking. We use some onion, some garlic, some scallion, some celery, and some thyme, and Scotch Bonnet Pepper. So first step, we're gonna put just enough oil, blended oil, to sear the chicken on evenly side. This is a chicken already been marinated for overnight. I can already smell it. All the marinate that we put inside already. It looks good. It's not much chicken. It's just enough to fill the whole pot. You want to get a nice sear like this. And the secret to a good brown stew chicken is to get the sear all around the chicken. Not only on one side, but all around the chicken. I marinate my chicken for overnight, but it's not necessary. As long as you let it sit for about 30 minutes before you cook it, and let the herbs and spice soak inside of the chicken, it will be perfect. Don't worry if your chicken get a little bit stuck to the pot, because we have about a half a cup of water that we're gonna be rinsing our bowl out with all the onions and peppers and scallions that we had left over. And we're gonna just get all this good stuff out, mix it all out, get everything that you can. And then we're gonna pour it right inside. So we're just gonna stir the pot a little bit. And what we're gonna do now, we're going to cover the pot and let it simmer on a medium heat for about 15 minutes. So the 15 minutes was up. I added another 5 minutes, and now the chicken is finally finished. So a total of 20 minutes, and voila, we have brown stew chicken. Now we finish off with the first part of the meal, the brown stew chicken. We're about to get into the real part, the rice and peas. So we're going to bring the liquid to a boil, including the peas, the pepper and the scallion, and the salt. And then we're going to add our rice, boil for about 3 minutes, and then we're going to turn it down to a low heat and cover the pot for 20 minutes. So now the rice done, we use a fork and fluff it up, and we're gonna put a little scallion on it and make it nice. There you have it, brown stew chicken and peas and rice. I like mine with a little avocado and some plantain. Don't forget to like and subscribe.